Hello guys! So, as you could see earlier, we just left Sendai and now we are in Aomori in Wonderland, Winter Wonderland. It was kinda difficult to get there. We first took the Shinkansen for around 2 hours 30 and after we were supposed to take a train, but because of the heavy snow that there is these days, we had to wait a lot for a bus, but at the end it didn't come, so we shared a taxi with some kind Japanese, and now we are in the center of the city. We just did the check-in and now we are gonna check around in the city, and we hope we can do some activities because maybe the subway line will be delayed because of the snow, but we will see.
And also, our first plan was to go to Hakoda Mountain
to
check the snow monsters.
Yeah.
Because that place is another place where you can see the snow monsters.
Yeah.
And it's famous for that. However, due to the heavy snow and winds, we couldn't go there. So we will try to go another place and we will see.
Yeah, because you can see how deep the snow is, and it makes a lot of difficulties for transportation.
Yes.
So because the weather is too bad, we couldn't go to Hirosaki Castle. So instead we are gonna go to this museum.
This museum is called Nebuta Museum, and it is showcasing the Aomori Nebuta Festival with paradise floats and taiko-drum displays. So we will go there first, and after that we will maybe try to go to a factory as well.
Because you can see it's really snowing a lot.
Yeah, I think we need to go to the mountain because here's already a lot of snow. So we just checked the Nebuta Museum. Now we're going to the A factory.
Oh, look. Let me take a break.
Yes.
何か食べたいのございましたらいかがでしょうか。おいしめていこう。
After A factory, we had lunch to seafood market, and we ate Nokke-don. You have like a ticket, and you can stop by each stand and choose which fish you want.
Yeah, seafood.
Seafood you want, and you add it to your bowl of rice, and after you eat it.
You pay 2,000 yen and they will give 12 tickets, so which means you can exchange each seafood with the ticket. Some of them cost 1 ticket, but some of them cost 2 tickets, so you have to check well.
And it was really good, like very good quality fish. And now we decided to stop by a shrine. It's called Uto Shrine.
As you can see, it snows a lot.
So yeah, because we already seen like the most popular places in Aomori for now in the city, because most area we cannot go because trains are not working. Some buses are working, but most of them are delayed, so we have to stay in our area. So we'll do like this, I think, today for now.
Yes, and also we found a way to go to
Our accommodation for tomorrow.
Yes.
Because we were not sure we could go, even though we already booked our place. But we went to the tourism office, fortunately, and they could help a lot.
I mean, at least it's blue sky suddenly.
We have some blue sky after having some storm.
Yeah. Anyway, in Aomori is the area where it's the most snowing in the world. However, I think this is uncommon to snow this time.
At this time of year.
Yes, yeah.
That much at this time of year. They are even talking about it on the news in here. I think everyone is surprised with this amount of snow.
Yeah, for sure. Every street has a lot of snow. And it is hard to go. Yeah. Ooh, wow.
Insane.
Yeah. I think you can jump if you want. I hope it's not hard.
I will not jump, I will just
Yeah.
fall.
Yeah. You can make an angel.
Okay. Ah, yeah. Oh, I didn't expect that soft. Oh, it's too heavy. Oh.
You want help?
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
It's messy, but interesting.
Wow.
Ah,
You're a mess now.
I will tell people my boyfriend pushed me into the snow.
Oh gosh.
He's a bad guy. Let's go. It's good. I thought it would be warm though.
Ah. It's good and sweet.
Sweet, yeah.
So we are currently here, ASPAM, because we wanted to warm our body, and also we heard that it has an observation on the top from the information center. So we will check there, since we have nothing to do in this city, because our plan was to go to the Hakota mountains, but yeah, it's gone. We arrive at the observation area, and as you can see, at least a little bit, sun, bright, and it was 400 yen per person. This is the city view, and I think that one is Hakota Mountain.
And good morning. Today is January 18. It's 9 a.m. and we are on our way to eat breakfast. And after we are gonna go to another accommodation with onsen.
Yes.
So yeah, that's today's plan. Let's go eat breakfast. Oh. It's slippery. Okay, so we had breakfast and now we are waiting for the bus to go to our other accommodation. We bought some snack, melon pan, and of course a Korean guy bought this. Because at that place there won't be anything, not even electricity. So we hope we are gonna be okay. And as you can see, it's still snowing a lot. So we hope the road to go will be okay, because yeah, Snow doesn't seem to stop for now. So we finally made it to Kuroishi station. We just had lunch, we had ramen to that place. And we left our luggage at the tourist information center. Now we are gonna go back, pick up our luggage, and we are gonna wait for the shuttle bus that's gonna take us to our accommodation.
And we heard that there are a lot of snow at the road.
3 times more than usual.
Yeah, last year.
Last year, yeah. We hope it's gonna be okay because tomorrow again we have to go to another accommodation. If the road is not safe, we cannot go. So, finger crossed. Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait.
I mean, I think for people it's hard to walk.
It's very hard. It's so slippery. Even if we have good shoes. Oh yeah. It's so slippery.
I mean, here is crazy.
Crazy high, yeah. I'm 175 centimeters tall.
Old.
Old. I'm very old.
This one is already higher than the usual road.
You're right.
So it's more taller than your height. And also, I think the train is not working. So I don't know how other people can come to this
They cannot come.
hotel.
That's a good question.
Because I check on online, people usually take the train to come here. I'm not sure they know like the bus.
If they don't know about the bus, they cannot come.
It's very quiet and
So peaceful. And our place will be even more peaceful
yeah.
than this because we are like still in the center.